cancel about 30 calls-ish a day, and I have Brennan who just sits there for 5 hours. He's not going to sell them the 30,000 or the 60,000. This is the $7,500 offer. He uses his personal meeting room. We don't make custom links on Zoom. We got away from custom links. Okay, if you do this, by the way, I do this myself. You're welcome, okay? So, okay, you got 900 leads who are unqualified, okay? We were originally going auto webinar, okay? I like to write, by the way, okay? It's the way I am. I like to write shit out because if I don't have it written down, it never gets done, okay? So, auto webinar, okay? Instead, because this is ass, okay, we're gonna go over here, okay? What we're gonna do is this. How many closers do you have? 3 closers. Okay. So if I have 3 closers, are they always packed? Okay, perfect. Okay, so we have 2 full-time and 1 who's lost, okay? If I have 900 leads that are talking to a setter first and they're unqualified, this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm taking this guy and I'm opening his calendar for, like, how many hours is he actually open for? Like 3 to 4? Hey, how many hours is he not talking to prospects per day? Okay, so then so he's not lost. Okay. Basically, what I would do is then is basically, all right, so now we basically have 3 full-time. You got to go hire 1. Okay, we're going to write over this. You're going to hire 1 person who is what we call like a live transfer closer. Okay. So 1 who's a live transfer closer. And here's how you're going to do it. You're going to stack this guy's calendar the whole day. Oh, shit. There's no such thing as the 13th hour. Okay. So we have 1. Okay. All the way from 8 to 2 p.m. And you're going to do this. Okay, I'm just going to write this all out so you obviously can understand. I'm just writing the same word like multiple times. I do group demos. Okay, so basically it's like a mini webinar, but a sales call. Okay, so let's say we got 900 of these people. These are people who actually picked up the phone. Okay. Jesus. Okay, so if we have 900, in what time frame did these 900 people come in?
En dat bij door het pickpocken sick month kan. En dat people well all the people were asking.
Yeah, but here's the thing though. I'm going to show this to you. Okay. If I have 900, let's say it's 4 months. What is that? That's 225 leads per month. That's about 3 per day. Okay. If we increase the volume here, I can just get the setter to now book them. Like, for example, what we do is when they're unqualified, we cancel about 30 calls-ish a day. And I have Brennan who just sits there for 5 hours. And we just put 6 people on each hour. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so Brennan's count is a little bit different. But I'll let him do group demos until noon. And he's taking 6 sales calls at once of all the unqualified people. And this is where we're doing a couple of things. We're doing financing. So he's sitting on there for a whole hour. And these people are like, he's basically using a small slide deck and pitching them. Like, hey, here's the offer. Here's what we do. Because he's not going to sell them the 30,000 or the 60,000. This is the $7,500 offer. That's all we're pitching here. And all we're doing on this call is, I know you're all broke as fuck, but we're going to do Clarity Pay. We're going to do Clarity Pay. We're going to do Klarna. Like, we're going to do, like, fucking HELOC. I don't know. Whatever we got to do to get these people to buy this, okay? And we're running 6 every hour. And then what we do is, we do lunch. Like, he takes a lunch. And then 2 o'clock, we do office hours. So what happens here is very important. My closers are really busy with calls back to back. So out of these 6, right, we're going to say that 3 show up, 4 show up here, 3, because they're lower quality leads. Let's just say that this is the show rates. 7, 10, 14, 17. They're not all going to buy, obviously, right? If we had 17 people buy a $7,500, you'd run up here and hug me, okay? That's not happening. So now the 17, we're going to take all the ones that still need time, and then we're going to invite them to the office hours to get a second follow-up close by the end of the day. And then all the closes that your sales team's taking, we also send them to office hours as well. So now Brendan can now close all the follow-ups from all these people who had to think about it. Some will close and use financing on the call. Like there's no problem with it. Here's what also happens. Every single one of these, okay, he uses his personal meeting room. This is very important. We don't make custom links on Zoom. We got away from custom links. If, let's say she is scheduled for the 9 a.m. call, okay? Okay, and you're on the 8 a.m. Okay, you're on the 8 a.m. and you're in the middle of doing your financing and you're buying the product, but you're going over. She's showing up for the 9 a.m. She joins the room. She sees you still trying to pay. So now when I take this group demo, you're basically giving her social proof. So now I join the call and let's say, he's, I'm sorry if I got the roles mixed, but he's on there doing financing at 8 a.m. He's stuck. He's fucking trying to figure out Clarity Pays, calling his bank, whatever the hell's going on. He stays on the call too long. It's 9:05. She joins and she's like, damn, this fucker's resourceful. And he's still there tapping away. And then he gets to go in the chat and say, all right, I'm done. I signed up. Now she's pre-framed to sign up. And as every call goes over, now I'm just stacking social proof as the day goes on. Just so you know, this works really well.